Yeah, you can already tell the wildflowers are out in force right now. Yeah, and in case I failed to mention it earlier, it's Lance in front and Ted right with him. And man, all these wildflowers, kind of an unexpected treat. I mean, I knew there'd be some, but they're just like fields of them up through here. Everything's really greening up. This is probably the fourth little stream crossing we've made. And the next one should be Mill Creek. And that's the one we're going to try to go up. And of course you can't see it from here, but way, way up there on those ridge tops is the Bronco Overlook off Station Camp Road. So if we can get around to it, we're going to look for the Bronco. But there's a trail crossing, and we're right here at Mill Creek. Looks like there's a pretty neat little place up in there. I just want to check that real quick. Try to get it on film before we head up the mountain. Yes, sir. It's worth coming up here to see. That's about probably a 4-footer back in there. And it flows down into this pool of water through these big boulders. I call that nice. It's a beautiful spot. A couple of years ago on a hike from where we're parked at Station Camp all the way up to Leatherwood Ford, when we got right here to Mill Creek, I noticed an old road that headed on up the hill. Well, this is it right here. And that's gonna get us up this hill, and we've already gained quite a bit of elevation. Man, the road we were following ended. So we decided we got to gain a lot in elevation. And man, this is steep with rhododendron. And we got a ways to go. We're gonna try to get up there maybe to the cliff or walk it around. Man, oh man, oh man. How steep. And we're still climbing. But got a little treat in store. Listen here. Yeah, man, we're getting up here now. And in those shadows right there is a cliff line, and I'd love to get up there shortly in the shade, because man, it is hot. All right, I came up right in there to the cliff row. I see Ted. Try to make it back on around that way, see if I can find the Bronco. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice shower of water falling right down into here. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's just a big curtain shower at the top, and it breaks up as it goes back down. Man, talk about a place to cool off at. This is it. All right, headed on to the Bronco. Well, I was just looking at Ted right over there a minute ago. He went to find out if you could get down from right here, and I had my doubts, but he's over there, so let's climb down here. What we're looking for should be around that point right over there anyway. So here we go. Yeah, that wasn't such a bad climb at all. Let's just get on around the cliff row from here. Nice piece of rock right there. I'm surprised rappellers or rock climbers are not coming out here playing on that wall. And Lance was out ahead of me. And there it is, the Bronco. Yeah, there's the whole back top of the Bronco. Part of the exhaust. Oh, what a crash. The Bronco Overlook is on the cliffs above us. And since it's near the Station Cap horse camp and all that stuff, a lot of horse trails, I just thought it was named Bronco Overlook because of all the horse trails and stuff around, you know. Good name for something to do with horses would be Bronco, but no. It's this Ford Bronco that's at the bottom of the cliff at the Overlook. This thing was stolen out of North Carolina. When it was found, it was right here. And I don't know legally if anybody ever got caught or how it all happened, but yeah, this is the Bronco at the bottom of Bronco Overlook. Been wanting to find it for years, and we made it today. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There wouldn't be many parts on this thing would be usable if anybody got anything out of it, but you know, the engine's still in it, battery still in it. But anyway, I'm gonna go try to find Ted and Lance, and we're just gonna head straight on off over the mountain to the river trail and back to Station Camp where we're parked. Call it a day. And this is not the only one, but when you're below an overlook, you can almost always count on being a bunch of trash. People throwing it off. Okay. Get on down, look for them. I'm 100 yards over the hill from the Bronco, and there's still car parts down in here. Yeah, lots of the lysine rings, the iron bands in this. Now we're headed back down toward the river. Just gonna try to get down there and head back to station camp. Hopefully we can get down here. There's no little cliff below us, but we'll see. We're way down the mountain now. Not to the river trail yet, but it just slide all the way down these hills, man. It is steep. But I can see a creek bottom, so we're close to the river. Yeah, we're back on the river road and come to our first little creek crossing. Had to stop and filter out a couple refills on my water bottles there. Drank a belly full too, so okay. On to station camp. Hey folks. Yeah, we're back. Ted and Lance they're gone. I'll just finish this up. Man, we got people in the river in a canoe over there fishing. Bunch of horse riders up that way. It's just a lot of things happening here this afternoon, and it's on a Friday, so yeah, not even a weekend. It's what we like, people getting out and enjoying this beautiful spring weather. But anyway, yeah, that hike wasn't what I thought it would be. That hill we first went up, it just kind of took something out of all of us that zapped us a little bit for the rest of the day, but you know, that's part of it. But another successful hike. Got to see wildflowers galore, great big bluff lines, and we found a Bronco. Excuse me. Been wanting to do that for years. So there's another thing off the list. So like usual, please, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's more coming. As long as you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them. It's Peppa in the Woods. See ya.